It's wonderful to have Jody Patel sir with me right now. We are at the Dabangg Reloaded concert here in Dubai. The stage is magnificent. The excitement is humongous. Sir, thank you very much first of all for talking to me.
Lovely, Faridun, thank you so much. Great to talk to you as always. As always.
Sir, मेरा पहला सवाल आपसे योगा कि right before a concert, what exactly is going on in your mind? It's not easy to manage such concerts.
I know. It's the production is huge. I think it's one of the biggest production-wise. It's one of the biggest shows that Bollywood has. Dabangg so far it's been the biggest. Before there's a lot of nervousness. There's a lot of stress. Last moment the production meetings happen. We just make sure that the sound, the tracks are in order. The last moment checks, but we are so used to it now that it's like clockwork now. So for us, it's been so many shows, so I think we are pretty much used to it. It's not as bad as it used to be before.
No, but I think the best part is that you guys are so particular about the minutest of things, which is absolutely wonderful. So Mr. Suhail Khan said yesterday that Dabangg tour is the Sholay of events.
Yes.
What would you like to say to that statement? That's
Absolutely
a big statement.
correct. Absolutely correct. It's a massive event, and since it started, we are almost 50 shows down the road now. All over the world we've performed. It is the biggest, I think, Bollywood event that has ever happened in succession for so many years. And still we're still at it, and we're still going to be still doing more shows this year, coming year. So it's great.
Right.
I think it's a correct statement. It's the Sholay of entertainment, it's the Sholay of shows.
Sholay of shows. Okay, and sir,
And covered 4 continents.
covered 4 continents. Okay, sir, and the way the excitement is in Dubai, I think Salman Khan can literally become, I think he can be at the top position in UAE or the Middle East. The sort of popularity that he enjoys is absolutely brilliant. How do you look at this popularity that keeps on growing? Since yesterday, there's complete mayhem in Dubai.
Absolutely. He's very popular around this region. Actually, he's popular all over the world, as he is in India. Salman has been synonymous with shows. I mean, he's the only actor who has been consistently performing on stage since I've known him 30 odd years. So, and that makes him very popular worldwide. He's, of course, no doubt about it, one of the biggest stars in the country, and especially stage shows. I think he's mastered it.
Right. And so yesterday, like I have personally seen him rehearse really, really hard for many years now. But yesterday, the way he rehearsed, जिस तरीके से पसीना उन्होंने बहाया है, मतलब I was mesmerized. ये इस किस्म की शिद्दत, इस किस्म की मेहनत कैसे देखते हैं इस बात?
Absolutely, he's every show. I mean, back home in India, even whilst we are shooting for Sikandar, in between shoots, he used to rehearse in the afternoon. When he used to get a break, he used to take an hour's break and he used to rehearse. The dancers used to be there to teach him, and he's been at it. And you saw the energy level at the technicals yesterday.
Amazing.
It was absolutely mesmerizing. So I think the audience can expect 10 times more than what you saw yesterday.
No, sir, वो तो मुझे अंदाजा है, वो तो मैंने देखा हुआ है. अभी आज जिस तरीके से वो आएंगे, it will be something else altogether.
Absolutely.
Sir, आपने सिकंदर की आपने बात करी. I spoke to Varda a few months back, and Varda said that Salman sir told her that Sikandar से हार डालेंगे. I think there's tremendous excitement around Sikandar.
Absolutely, I think it's a great director. I believe in him a lot. I think he's a fantastic director, Murtados. And the script is amazing, pretty emotional, and yeah, I think the music is good. So I think overall, I think it's a big release. Sikandar. It's going to be a massive release, no doubt, for Salman and everybody, and something to look forward to. I think it's going to be fun.
Right. So one final question. जिस तरीके से कल जब रिहर्सल कर रहे थे, personally, because I think all of us who are here, I think all of us we love Salman sir. He was extremely happy जब वो रिहर्स कर रहे थे, उनके जो स्माइल और सब देख कर.
He loves the adulation. He loves performing. Stage shows is something very close to his heart. He loves performing live on stage. and that excitement is always there whenever he is about to perform. And that's what you saw yesterday at the press conference.
Absolutely. Even while rehearsing,
Rehearsing, yes,
he was smiling, he was happy, and the fans are loving it.
Yes,
Because
absolutely. I think it brings him great joy performing. I think he loves doing stage show, he loves performing live, and he's damn good at it.
Absolutely. Okay, sir. And what about other performers? We are having Tamanna, we are having Disha Patni.
Tamanna is the first time that we are using Tamanna as the bank shows. She's extremely popular right now. She's got fantastic numbers. Aaj Ki Raat, of course, everybody knows that it has created havoc. Jacqueline has been damn good as she's always been. Disha Patni is something that people need to look forward to. I think fantastic dancer, fantastic. She's such a great looker. And Sonakshi Sinha is a veteran. She's just too good. She's like, it's very natural for her to be on stage. Sona. And and Prabhu sir, of course, what can you say? What can he's a magician on stage. He's a magician on stage.
And Manish Paul's hosting
Manish
it,
Paul
always energetic.
Yeah, he's been my favorite. He's always been my favorite, and he's a fantastic. He's very good with the audience.
Yeah.
He's great interacting with the audience at the end. And last but not the least,
Sunil Grover.
Oh man, how funny is that guy?
Yesterday, Salman sir said that anyone who has come closest to his mimicry, that is Sunil Grover.
I remember that episode that he did in Das Kadam when Salman was hosting,
Right.
and Shah Rukh was the guest, and
Rani Mukherjee. That is
standing. How hilarious!
He is absolutely
It's too
brilliant.
funny. He's too good.
When you saw him mimicking Salman sir in the recent episode of Kapil Sharma, what was your that was a
He was damn good at it.
it was a complete right.
He's an absolute riot, and he's so good at it. Salman is not easy to imitate,
Absolutely.
but he did it so well. Absolutely fantastic. I think it's going to be a great show, guys.
Absolutely.
And,
Sir, thank you very much. Always wonderful talking to you, and all the best wishes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Bye bye.